Welcome to the Top Best. The best house hack is probably one of the most misunderstood yet potentially life-changing strategies for aspiring homeowners and savvy investors alike, offering a unique pathway to homeownership and financial freedom by leveraging your primary residence to generate income. This innovative approach allows you to offset your mortgage payments, reduce your living expenses, and build equity faster than traditional methods, making the dream of owning a home more attainable and financially sustainable in today's challenging real estate market. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste, your ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution. It tackles grease, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. From greasy stovetops to grimy ovens, this paste makes your kitchen shine like new. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. Revitalize your bathroom with the Pink Stuff. It effortlessly cleans tiles, glass, and showers, leaving them spotless and gleaming. This powerful cleaner isn't just for kitchens and bathrooms. Use it on sinks, stainless steel, and more for a complete home clean. Experience the magic of the Pink Stuff. Its unique formula removes tough stains, ensuring a brilliant clean every time. Get more cleaning power with this generous 500G tub. It's the perfect size for all your household cleaning needs. What we like. This cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one solution for your kitchen and bathroom, this is it. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. What people say. The product works as expected and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. The features are comprehensive and cover all my needs. Number 4. Home IT Broom and Mop Holder Wall Mount. Introducing a versatile wall mount designed to keep your cleaning tools organized and within reach. It's perfect for your home, garage, or garden. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary hardware and a template for a quick and secure installation, indoors or out. This durable rack can hold up to 11 tools, with each slot supporting up to 7.5 pounds. It's built to handle even wet mops and heavier items securely. The non-slip slots with soft rubber grips ensure your items stay put but are easy to grab when you need them. It's designed for quick and secure retrieval. Beyond mops and brooms, this versatile holder can store umbrellas, shopping bags, coats, and more. Reclaim your floor space and keep your home clutter-free. Transform any space with this practical storage solution. It's the perfect way to keep everything tidy and easily accessible, no matter where you place it. What we like. This organizer provides robust storage for up to 11 tools, keeping your garage or utility space tidy. If you have a lot of brooms, mops, or garden tools and need a durable, easy-to-mount solution, this is the one. It's perfect for keeping everything off the floor and within easy reach. What people say. The house hack is a game-changer for managing rental properties. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to track income and expenses, and the tenant communication features are excellent. I love how the house hack automates rent collection and sends out reminders to tenants. It saves me so much time and hassle. The reporting tools in house hack are incredibly detailed, providing insights into cash flow and property performance that I haven't found elsewhere. Number 3. GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline. Introducing GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline, a versatile solution for your drying needs. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering convenience and durability. Setting up is a breeze. It installs in just minutes with all the necessary hardware included, perfect for your laundry room, balcony, or even your RV. This retractable clothesline is a game-changer for small spaces. With a simple one-touch operation, it keeps your area tidy and clutter-free, ideal for apartments and bathrooms. Extended up to 14.1 feet to dry a variety of items, from towels and linens to delicates and baby clothes. It's built to handle heavy loads with ease. Save on your energy bills by air-drying your laundry. It's an eco-friendly way to dry clothes while also protecting your fabrics from harsh machine drying. Its sleek stainless steel housing complements any decor, making it a stylish addition to your laundry room or bathroom. When not in use, it retracts instantly for a clean look. This product has been featured on major media outlets like The Today Show, CNN, and USA Today, proving its quality and usefulness. What we like. This clothesline extends up to 14.1 feet, offering ample drying space while retracting neatly when not in use. If you live in a small apartment, RV, or just want to keep your laundry area clutter-free, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for air-drying clothes to save energy and protect fabrics. What people say. The product works as expected and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. The features are comprehensive, offering a wide range of functionalities. Number 2. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. Introducing the Original Pro Chopper, a top-rated kitchen gadget that's taking meal prep by storm. It's simple to use, set up, and clean, saving you time and energy. Make healthy eating a breeze with its rust-resistant stainless steel blades. Effortlessly dice vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, and cucumbers in seconds. Experience superior control with its soft grip handle and non-skid base for stability. The built-in catch tray ensures your countertops stay clean during use. Cleanup is a snap. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher. No scrubbing required, making it a convenient choice for any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this chopper makes meal prep fast, safe, and enjoyable. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves time-saving kitchen gadgets. Ideal for various diets like low-carb and plant-based meals, it simplifies preparations for everything from family dinners to holiday feasts. What we like. This kitchen gadget simplifies meal prep with its sharp, rust-resistant blades and large capacity. If you love to cook but hate spending hours chopping vegetables, this is a game-changer. It's perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier and faster, and it's dishwasher-safe for ultimate convenience. What people say. The app is very intuitive and easy to navigate. I love the customizable dashboard that allows me to see all my important information at a glance. The reporting features are robust and provide valuable insights into my business performance. Number 1. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Silicone Pasta Strainer. Introducing the Snap and Strain, the ultimate kitchen companion. It easily clips onto your pots and pans, making draining a breeze. This clever colander keeps your hands free while you strain pasta, vegetables, or noodles. It's a must-have addition to any kitchen. Tired of bulky kitchen tools? This collapsible strainer folds flat, perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or even camping. Made from high-quality silicone, it withstands high temperatures and grips securely. You can safely drain hot foods without worry. Its universal fit design attaches to most pots, pans, and bowls, big or small. It's ideal for everyday use and a great addition to your kitchen essentials. This handy tool drains water fast, saving you time and effort. It's a smart and simple solution for all your straining needs. What we like. This strainer securely clips onto pots and pans, allowing for hands-free draining and saving valuable kitchen space. If you have a small kitchen or are tired of bulky colanders, this is a fantastic alternative. It's heat-resistant and fits most cookware, making it ideal for draining pasta, vegetables, and more with ease. What people say. The product works as advertised and has a sleek design. It's very user-friendly and the features are intuitive. The build quality is excellent and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.